the look.
So many things I've got to tell you, but I'm afraid I don't know how. 'Cause there's a possibility that you look at me differently, love. Ever since the first moment I spoke your name, from then on I knew that by you being in my life, things were destined to change. 'Cause love, so many people use your name in vain. Love, those who have faith in you sometimes go astray. Love, through all the ups and downs, the joys and hurts. Love, for better or worse, I still will choose you first. Many days I've longed for you, wanting you, hoping for the chance to get to know you, longing for your tears, for your touch, feel your presence. Many nights I've cried from the things you do, felt like I could die from the thought of losing you. I know that you're real, with no doubts and no fears and no questions. So many people, love, faith in you, sometimes so straight. But now I know you're all I need. Oh, the world looks so brand new to me. Now that I'm loved.
Hey y'all, so now it is 8:07, so we are about to go ahead and do a 30-minute clean on this house. Let's see all that I can get done. I really want to get in bed and go to sleep. So once again, I'm not trying to be doing this all night, but as you can see, I got a little bit of mess to clean up, so let's go ahead and get clean.
honest. You can get none by run, baby, bye. I can get the real love all your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play a little game with you. Cause if you wanna stay, then I'll play. Yeah. You playing with my heart, yeah. You playing with my heart, you playing with me, oh boy. Take me over. I know you got the run. Oh, take me under. I want you to be mine. Oh, you can get none by run, baby, bye. I can get the real love all your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. But you can get one. You can get one from me. One from me. You can get one from me. Let it.
I just checked the timer and I got 10 minutes left, so I need to hurry up. I'm in the kitchen now. I'm trying to bust these dishes out and sweep and mop this floor before the timer go off.
I'll take it back, talking shit all you do. Couldn't help thinking of all that you put me through. Pardon your behavior, but if you think I'm gonna stay, then you can get way. You can get way. Then you can get way. Then you can get way. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play a little game with you. Cause if you wanna say, then you play with my heart, yeah. You playing with my heart, yeah. You playing with my heart, you playing with me, oh boy.
So hey y'all, so my 30-minute cleaning is almost done. The timer went up, but I still have a few things that I need to do, like I still need to mop. I still need to mop the floor, and I need to clean these steps off because I did sweep, so I need to clean those steps off. And then what else? That's pretty much it. Done for my little after work house cleaning. Like, the kids are in their room in bed, so they won't be coming out anytime soon. So yeah, now I can relax after I'm done. Hey, so y'all, I actually got a new mop that my man bought me. I think he was trying to tell me something, because he bought me this. I didn't go out and get it, but he was trying to give me a hint that I need to clean up, because he went out and bought me all these cleaning products. I don't blame him, because your girl has been slacking, but I'm back. We're about to get the house clean. I'm about to go ahead and pop this open. Brand new. Okay, I like that. All right, y'all, so as you can see, the house is decent looking, so now I can finally rest and lay down. I got everything done. It took me, I started at 8:10, so it's now 9:22. So it took me a little bit, only because I was recording and I was just trying to get those angles for y'all. But anyways, I'm about to go ahead and spray some of this coconut mahogany sitting room spray around the whole house, and then I'll be done with the video. Thank y'all so much for watching this channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss a video from me. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.
I'm really feeling this shit. Yeah. I want my baby to have your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie, I'd rather stay inside. I can't do suit and